up, warriors? I have material that just came in for Jinx's pants and the sleeve, as well as the other part of the sleeve, the other part of the pants that's coming out near her waist, and then this also that's coming out. And then there's this one too, and I forget what this one is for. I'll remember though, maybe it's like to the back of something. But this is all Petal signature cotton except for this, I believe, which is organic cotton knit. And this too. These two are organic cotton knit because these are the ones that are going on the sleeve, and I wanted them to be a bit more, not tighter, but they have a bit more stretch to them because I don't want them like sliding down a whole lot, but they're also going to be held up by 1 or 2 buckles, I think. So that's for the pants, so I can get started on that, as well as the rest of the sleeve. Progress. Progress. Happy Progress Day. So the wig was one of the first things that I got for Jinx. So I've had this for a minute, I just haven't opened it yet, but it's getting towards the time where I'm gonna have to start working on it now that I've got a bunch of other things going. Oh, just seeing it, just seeing the color. Just seeing the color makes me so excited. But I got 2 of them because obviously her hair is very long. I don't have a lot of experience styling wigs. I think the more I do it, the better I'll get at it, but I haven't done it, so I'm not great at it yet. Next to the leather, it looks so cool. So I've been working on the top. I had to redo it, which I'm not completely surprised about, but that's okay because I think it's gonna come out better. So I actually did this almost all correctly. The only thing I messed up doing was when I placed this on the leather to trace it, I didn't smush it down flat. I kept its curve and traced it, and then I would follow the curve as it kind of curved around instead of just laying it flat like this, even though there's a bit of bunching up here, just laying it flat and tracing that, because what that did was it distorted the outline, what that would look like and end up looking like. This is the new one, and I already sewed the sides together. So this is the inside. It's much more simple. I didn't add the extra borders to flip around. I already kind of trimmed up the edges and made it look all pretty. And so this is the back. I've already started sewing the belt loops on. This one is the same that I cut out. I just trimmed it up a bit. I cut off the things, the borders that I was gonna fold over a bit. I've got pretty much all the hardware I need as far as like buckles and rings and snaps and all of that stuff. So now it's kind of just a matter of putting it all together and spending the time and just getting it done. before, but the eyelets or the grommets that I was gonna use I can't actually use, so I had to order some new ones. If I repeat myself or if I leave something out, forgive me. It's getting hard to keep track of what I've said and what I've not said because I'm going back and forth between different pieces of this outfit, and this is spanning over time. The days are blurring together. Captain's log. Everyone on the ship is getting antsy. People are getting worried. We're hearing things in the walls, voices. We're seeing things in the wind. I don't know what's real anymore. Belt loops are, it's a bit echoey in here. All the belt loops are on. I don't know if I updated this yet, but all the belt loops are on. All the grommets are in. This is the front, inside of the front, back, inside of the back. The belt loops took a really long time to put on. The grommets, 10 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that I got them right and that they set properly because they're difficult to take out if you get them wrong. So now that that's all done and I can actually lace it, put it on, lace it on the sides, I can determine how long these straps need to be at the right height, and then that will determine the length of this in the back and the length of that middle piece that connects this piece to the straps. So it is coming along. I'm very happy with this progress. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the links in the description, more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next video.